Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to construct an angle of 105 degree using compass and scale. So for the same we will draw a line segment QR first, and you can name it by using other alphabets also, like A, B, C, D, P, Q, whatever you want to. Then with Q as center and any radius, we will draw the main arc, that is the semicircular arc. We will mark the point of intersection of this arc and the line segment QR as point A. While drawing this 105 degree angle, we are actually constructing a 90 degree angle first. So with A as center and the same radius that we had taken for the main arc, we'll cut the first arc on the main arc, that is will be marked as point B. And then with B as center and the same radius, we will cut another arc and mark that point of intersection of the two arcs as point C. Now with B and C as centers and the radius that we have taken previously for drawing the main arc, we will increase that radius and we will cut two arcs such that they intersect each other at point D. And this angle that will be formed by cutting two arcs from B and C respectively will be of 90 degree. And we will mark this point of intersection as point D. And we will be joining Q and D. And now we have this angle, that is the angle so formed, that is by joining Q and D and extending it to a point further, that is say P, we have an angle PQR which is equal to 90 degree. Now our next step after constructing an angle of 90 degree is to make an angle of 105 degree. For the same, we will be marking a point on this line segment QP on the main arc as point E. And now with C and E as centers, and obviously since we are bisecting the angle between it, so the radius should be more than that taken for the main arc. And we will again draw two arcs and mark this point of intersection of these two arcs as point S. And we will be joining this point S. We will be joining this point, mark this point as F, and we will be joining it as Q and F. And then we will be extending it further to say a point S, so that we have angle SQR, that is the angle so formed as 105 degree. So angle SQR is equal to 105 degree.